True. Okay.
I'll maneuver.
Alright.
What vending machine are you going to?
I'm not going to bank machine.
You want to do a bank machine?
No. Did you say bank or vending machine?
Vending machine.
Oh.
Just going to the library.
Oh my gosh.
I'm sorry.
That's alright.
Please don't hate me. Oh yeah, eh?
No, when there's a ball.
Shit. I totally forgot about that.
Actually, it works out anyway because you would hit the wall there. So.
Yeah.
This is a smart way to do it. Yeah.
This hallway looks long from
It
this
is.
fucking camera. I really hope there's no audio because I swore.
We'll replace the audio with a really happy sound.
Ah, that makes sense.
Baby got back.
Like the getaway music.
No way, baby got back, man. Oh, we can make Otto go to the ladies' room.
With the camera?
Yeah. We're just filming a school project. It's not a robot.
So we're going to the video? I mean the vending machine?
Uh-oh.
You didn't have to lined up and
Shit.
find a chair.
I'm gonna hit that post.
Robots go down.
Okay, so from here,
I gotta test for that wall, but I can't. So, what are we gonna do? I can test for this, and then be like,
Bend down.
the robot.
Yeah.
test it with my foot,
You kick it.
turn, and then vending machine.
Yeah, then we can just take him, make him take one step.